RØDE has recently unveiled their latest addition to their wireless compact microphone series, the RØDE Wireless GO III. This new microphone will replace the RØDE Wireless GO II, which has been the top-of-the-line seller and arguably the most popular compact microphone among content creators since 2021. The GO III's new features blasted ahead of its predecessor's capabilities. In fact, it shares striking resemblance in function to their flagship option, the RØDE Wireless Pro, and is over $100 cheaper. So what sets these two apart, and which one aligns better with your needs? Hey everyone, I'm Adam from Messenger Bag Media, and today we're going to be comparing the new RØDE Wireless GO III to the top-of-the-line RØDE Wireless Pro. We'll explore why they're aimed at different demographics and why they're priced so differently. Also, stay tuned for our full breakdown of the new features included on the RØDE Wireless GO III and how it differs from its predecessor, the GO II. In the meantime, both the Wireless GO III and Pro are packed with some incredible features. But which one's right for you? Let's break it down. Let's first talk about price. The RØDE Wireless GO III is the cheaper of the two options, coming in at $299 USD. The RØDE Wireless Pro is a bit more expensive, coming in at $399. So what do you get for your money with these two options? The Wireless GO III comes with two transmitters, one receiver, multiple cables, a carrying pouch, furry windshields, and a charger that allows you to charge both the transmitters and the receiver simultaneously. The Wireless Pro, however, steps it up with two transmitters, one receiver, two lavalier 2 microphones, magnetic mounting clips, multiple cables, furry windshields, a smart charging case, and an accessory case, giving you a more comprehensive setup for professional use. Now, let's talk about the aesthetic and exterior of these two microphones. On the outside, these wireless bodies could be easily confused. The GO III is quite the step up from the GO II with locking lavalier connectors, a brighter LCD display, and a just more refined look. It looks shockingly similar to the Wireless Pro with the similar matte edges, rounded glossy faces, red and blue indicator lights, and button layout. The main difference is the gray text and different logo on the Wireless Pro compared to white on the GO III. Oh yeah, and the 14 different color options on the GO III. While it's fantastic that the GO III offers a wide range of color options, this certainly reflects its target demographic. The GO III is clearly designed for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok content creators, while the Pro is aimed at, well, professionals. Online creators can benefit from these different colors, as their microphones often skip the lavalier and clip directly onto clothing, which can be quite noticeable in videos. By choosing a color that aligns with their brand, they can enhance their visual appeal. On the other hand, professionals prefer the dark, more subtle microphone packs that are either completely out of sight or attempted to be blended in and unnoticed. While the color and appearance of the microphone may not be the most crucial of factors, there are still important considerations to keep in mind. Now, let's talk about what's really important, the guts of these two systems. First, let's talk about what they have in common, and oh gosh, where do we begin? Both the RØDE Wireless GO III and Wireless Pro feature RØDE's Series 4 2.4 GHz digital transmission, which promises crystal clear audio with a range of up to 260 meters line of sight. Both systems feature 32-bit float onboard recording, meaning you can recover clipped or quiet audio with ease. If you shoot too quietly, fear not. 32-bit float allows you to bring up your audio without introducing excess noise. If you shoot too loud and end up clipping your audio, you'll be able to recover a surprising amount of data and avoid any noticeable distortion. This is a huge feature to be brought to the Wireless Go lineup. Remember, however, that this function is only available through onboard recording, not direct to camera. Luckily, both systems also feature 32 gigabytes of internal memory per transmitter, giving you over 40 hours of recording time. They also both offer dual channel recording, intelligent gain assist, and safety channels to ensure your audio stays pristine, even in challenging conditions. While these features have been available on the Wireless Pro, many of them are new to the Go lineup. As a team that began with the original Wireless Go, then upgraded to the 2, and has been using the Pro for quite some time now, we can confidently say that these dynamic safety features not only enhance your production quality, but boost your confidence when shooting. Battery life is another area where both of these systems shine. Both offer extended battery life with plug-in power detection, but the Wireless Pro's smart charging case adds an extra layer of convenience, ensuring your gear is always ready to go. When it comes to compatibility, both systems work seamlessly with cameras, smartphones, and computers. But the Wireless Pro's included lavalier 2 microphones and magnetic mounting options make it a more versatile choice for professionals looking for flexibility and convenience. More on this later. As you may have guessed by the amount of similarities between these two systems, they actually share the exact same built-in microphone. So, how do these two microphones actually differ? The one standout feature of the Wireless Pro is timecode capability. The ability for the Wireless Pro transmitters to generate their own timecode makes syncing audio and post-production a breeze, a nice plus for filmmakers and video editors. The Wireless GO III doesn't have this feature, so that's something important to keep in mind if that's a priority for you. So, here's where things get confusing. The Wireless GO III is basically a Wireless Pro just without the timecode capability, and it's $100 cheaper. Clearly, the Wireless GO III is the best bang for your buck, right? Well, not really. Going back to what's in the box, the Wireless Pro comes with two lavalier 2 microphones, a charging case, mag clips, and an accessory case. Just to buy the Lav 2 separately would cost you nearly $90 US each. You can buy a charging case for the GO III, but that will also run you nearly $90, and you don't get the accessory case with it. This means to acquire a setup for your GO III, even closely resembling that which comes with the Pro, would cost you nearly $600, and you'd still be missing out on a few accessories included with the Pros. To add on to this, some stores like B&H seem to be regularly selling the Wireless Pros for $349, making it only $50 more than the GO III. In our opinion, the RØDE Wireless Pro is the clear value winner here. Not only do you get all the features and accessories included with the GO III, but you also get timecode synchronization, a charging case, 2 lavalier microphones, an accessory case, and mag clips for only an extra $50 to $100. With that said, it really depends on your use case, and this is why these mics are targeted at such different demographics. If you're a YouTuber or short-form content creator, you might not care for all the extra accessories. As I said earlier, many online content creators skip the lavs altogether and just clip the Wireless Go directly onto their shirts. If this is you, the Wireless GO III will be a huge step up from the GO II and come in fun colors to make the mic more aesthetically pleasing in your videos. But if you're a professional videographer, we don't need to sway you on the value and workflow benefits from the Wireless Pros any more than we already have. This is definitely a mic made with pros in mind. At the end of the day, both the RØDE Wireless GO III and Wireless Pro pack a heavy punch with extremely similar features and functionality. The RØDE Pro definitely holds the better bang for your buck in terms of accessory value, but which mic you choose will totally depend on your situation. Whichever way you go, we're certain you'll be pleased with your audio quality. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for our feature-by-feature comparison of the RØDE Wireless GO II and Wireless GO III, both of which at the time of this recording are still available for the same price. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's the best way you can support our channel. Check out these videos if you think they look interesting, and if you like what you see, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.